Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that's been on a lot of minds: should I learn JavaScript or Python in 2024? Both of these languages are super popular and each has its own strengths and weaknesses. In this video, I'll break down the key aspects of both languages to help you decide which one is right for you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what JavaScript and Python actually are. JavaScript is the language of the web. If you've ever interacted with a website, clicked a button, filled out a form, or watched a video, JavaScript was likely involved. It's what makes websites dynamic and interactive. Beyond the browser, JavaScript can also be used for server-side programming, mobile app development, and even game development. On the other hand, Python is known for its simplicity and readability. It's often the first language people learn when they start programming. Python is incredibly versatile. It's used in web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and more. Python's syntax is easy to pick up, which is why it's so popular among beginners. So which one is easier to learn? If you're a complete beginner, Python is often the go-to choice. Its syntax is very clean and almost reads like English. This makes it easier to understand the basic concepts of programming without getting bogged down in complex syntax. JavaScript, while slightly more complex, is still beginner-friendly, especially with the vast amount of resources and communities out there. However, JavaScript does have some quirks and can be a bit tricky when you dive into more advanced topics like asynchronous programming. In short, if you're looking for a gentle introduction to programming, Python might be the way to go. But if you're focused on web development, JavaScript is a must-learn, even if it has a slightly steeper learning curve. Next up, let's talk about job prospects. JavaScript is the backbone of web development, which means there's a huge demand for JavaScript developers. If you're interested in building websites, front-end or back-end, learning JavaScript will open a lot of doors for you. Plus, with frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js, JavaScript developers are highly sought after. Python, on the other hand, is the king when it comes to data science, machine learning, and automation. If you're interested in these fields, Python is a must-learn. Python is also widely used in academia and research, so if you're thinking about a career in those areas, Python is the way to go. Both languages have strong job markets, but your choice should depend on what kind of projects or career path you're interested in. Another important factor is the community and available learning resources. JavaScript has a massive community. You'll find endless tutorials, forums, and libraries to help you along the way. This is great because if you ever get stuck, there's likely someone who's already faced and solved the same problem. Python also has a strong community, especially in areas like data science and machine learning. There are tons of resources available, including free courses, documentation, and community forums. No matter which language you choose, you'll have plenty of support to help you learn and grow. So, should you learn JavaScript or Python in 2024? It really comes down to your goals. If you're interested in web development, JavaScript is a no-brainer. If you're drawn to data science, machine learning, or automation, then Python is your best bet. But here's the thing: learning either language will be valuable. They're both powerful tools in a programmer's toolkit, and mastering one doesn't mean you can't learn the other later. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.